Hey, this is the DIY Magician. We're back with another how to upcycle a toy into a puppet or how to create a dog puppet the hard way. And I'll call it a little dog because we need to decipher. We're doing a lot of dogs lately. So this little guy here, I tried to work and do a one last time show. It did not work. So we're going to go ahead and dismantle him and see how we can make him into a puppet. Little mouth right there, so we have a good shot at it. It's easy access to the bottom there. No pun intended. And let's see here. Oh, maybe that's why, because the little thing is broken. The little wire is broken. So that's probably a good reason as to why it didn't work. Now, so let's see here. Let's get my glasses on and we're going to do the seam ripper. There we go. All right. Let's get this little guy here. We'll do it this way this time. Ooh, that was a good one. Okay, I got a lot of the seams all at once. Okay. Let's rip it. There we go. Rip it real good. Yeah, I know. Okay, there we go. Oh. I gotta pop those little threads right there, and then we're good to go. Okay, so now we're inside. I feel a mechanism. We're just going to go ahead and reach in there. The tail's pretty safe. Okay, so I don't have to worry about that having anything in it. There's something, like I said, there's something in there. Hold on. Got a good grip on it. It's got something in both paws. Let's see here. Okay, there it is. Okay, it's held on by a thread. Let's cut that loose. Okay, hold on. Oh, this is going to be an easy one. And again, we might be able to take some of these old mechanisms another time and see if we can get them to work. That would be a lot of fun. See, some more threads here. Hold on a second. This is going to be easy. Right there. My guess is that there's one on the other side as well. Let's get in there and... Yep, there's one right there. Right there. Okay. There it is. Ooh, look at that. Looks like little boxing. It's like one of those little boxers. Little toot toot toot. Really cool. Look at that. Okay, now I get to find out where the actual... Where is the actual button? The button was way up top, it feels like. Hang on. Let's see what's up there. Oh, I'm not even going to be able to do this one. This is too bad. Maybe the nose was the button? Was it the collar? It's weird. There's like no neck to this thing. It's like a, well, maybe there is just a little bit. Well, maybe so. Okay, where's the button? Where's the button? Is it way up on top? Let's get some material out of here. They did it with a little splice right here, so I might just have to undo the splice. I didn't want to, but there's got to be something up in the very top. Is it attached to the eyes? This is really strange. Maybe it is... Oh, maybe it's the mouth. Maybe it is the mouth. Whatever's in the mouth is now... Hang on. One way or another, I'm going to figure this thing out. Okay, so all the way up, I got the cord there, and it goes right to his face. His nose. Hang on. I'm going to pop that stuff out. There we go. Okay. This is weird. Okay, let's see here. Is that a thread? That looks like a thread. I don't think that's a cord. That's a thread. Okay, hold on. I think we got it. I think we got it. Or not. I guess the nose was the little apparatus to turn it off and on, because that looks like the nose, other end of the nose right there. Maybe the nose glows or something. Oh boy. What does the nose do? Well, I'll tell you what, here's what we're going to do. We're just going to undo these splices. There were two little splices right here. And I'm just going to pull those, just like that. And the mechanism comes free. I've got these two wires there. That is quite a dog now. Hold on. Okay. I think I can reach in there. Hold on. This is a snug one. This is probably the toughest one yet. I may not be able to get my hand off, so you might see this in all of my future videos. Look at that face. Hold on. So the nose comes out there, and I mean, this is pretty much it. I'll be honest with you. I don't know that this might be set up for my daughter, because again, I've really got it snug in there. I can't go any further. The collar might be constricting it a bit, but I don't think that's it. It's just going to be one of these little guys. So we at least had fun. We figured out what's going on. I think the nose, there's a hole in the nose, so I don't know what it does. Maybe it squirts things. I don't know. But there he is, our little dog. It's how to create a puppet the hard way. This is the hard way episode. Thank you guys for coming. I appreciate it. Those of you who've been here before, thanks for coming back. Those of you who have joined us for the first time, please feel free to subscribe, and we'll get you those updates as soon as they come out. And again, this is the DIY Magician. Until next time.